there, it's Alex from WTI. I found a company that makes a stellar infusible ink sheet. I've been crafting for years now, but this was my first time using infusible ink transfers. I was really happy with the outcome of these ones here from Lucky Godness. First of all, I can't tell you how easy this material is to weed. Probably the easiest I've ever used. But the transfer tape that's attached to these sheets has an amazing stickiness to them, so that if you're doing a project that has a bit more intricate cuts, it will be no problem at all for these ink sheets. I used the infusible ink sheet setting on my cutting machine and it worked perfectly. Okay, so don't be fooled by the initial color of the sheets. The finished product will be much brighter. As you can see, there looks like there's hardly any color on these sheets, but once you heat them, they end up turning out with such vivid colors. I like to make pillows, so I use these polyester pillow covers to make a few pillows. I love the gradient color to these pillows. They give off kind of a retro vibe, I think. What's neat about these sheets too is that you can use them for so many different projects. Tote bags, hats, mugs, t-shirts. So I was super happy with how my pillows turned out. Like I said, I can't wait to try other projects with them too. And that's my point of view.